all, Angela Cameron here, the Angela K. Cameron Collection, She Brown Sugar Hair and Lashes, She Brown Sugar Inspirational and Luxury Hair and Luxurious Lashes. I hope and pray that you all are staying motivated, encouraged, healthy, and safe during these days, okay? And I hope and pray that I'm able to bring some sunshine and light to some of you all on today, because my purpose in coming on here today is to help lead some of you all into some business venture ideas of creativity while you're sitting there in your home, okay? And I just pray and I release prosperity, well wishes, creative juices to flow. I speak it right now for some of you all. And even if you don't take or embark upon the ideas that I'm going to release during a few of these video segments that will be coming up, I want to say this week, but it may be over the course of the next 3 weeks, because I have a lot of information that I do want to share with some of you all. This is for ladies, this is for men, this is for young teenagers. Over the course of the last week, not even a week, I've had a lot of people reach out to ask different ways that they can earn extra income. And they knew that I have been blessed to be productive and prosperous in hair and lashes. So why wouldn't I help? You know, I tell everyone we have to be able to stand in unity, to be able to help each other in times of need and in times when we're just looking to maybe change or do something different in our lives, y'all. When we go into grocery stores, we see different products. There's more than one bread company. There's surely enough or more than one green bean, sweet pea, carrots, whatever you can name, companies on the shelves. You go down to Coca-Cola, the soda aisle, but the soda aisle, and there's different brands of soda, even water. So why wouldn't we reach out to help others? Nobody can take anything from you, okay? Because the blessings in life that are meant for you are for you, and the blessings in life that's meant for someone else is meant for someone else. So I rebuke that competitive spirit, okay? The only competition we should ever be in our lives is with ourselves, you all. I've known that from a young girl, young lady. That's why I'm always after lend a helping hand, because I understand that concept, that what is meant for you, what is meant for me in life is mine, and what is meant for you in life is yours. So I sit here today to hopefully generate some ideas to help some of you all during this time when I know that some of y'all really, really, really need it, okay? And me also, because hey, I'm looking to increase just because the economy has gone down. The world does not determine my income. I tell people that all the time. I would tell people my job does not determine my income. My blessings, my help, my increase comes from God and God alone. And I promise you, if and when, and I'm going to say if, you begin to be a true giver with pure motives and out of the pureness of your heart, you will be amazed of how many streams of income or how many blessings that you will allow to come your way. Because the scripture that says you sow what you reap and you reap what you sow, when you sow giving, men and women, but I'm going to say men because I'm generalizing humanity, will begin to give unto your bosom. If you haven't recently visited my website, shebrownsugarhair.com, you will not know that She Brown Sugar Hair, the Angela K. Cameron Collection, She Brown Sugar Hair and Lashes, is now a hair and eyelash ambassador. Yes, there were some great things that took place when I went on my vacation. So, we'll see what the future holds. I'm really trying to just generate what's going on in the world today of when to start releasing and unleashing different things concerning that, okay? But y'all have to go to shebrownsugarhair.com to check it out, okay? For those of y'all who may be seeking different ways of income, y'all, as I say, I've been contacted of different ways that people can start and generate. Teenagers, no specific age group, okay? No specific age group at all. As I say, these will be in segments. I've got my whiteboard, and I may not be looking directly into the camera eye, but I'm looking at the position where I feel like I need to concerning this particular setup video. As you see, I got my banner up. I finally got my banner up, y'all. And I'm leaving this space because I'm hoping that I can get, if no one else but my daughter, because my younger sister, she stays busy a lot. My daughter does also, but me and her scheduling can pretty much be adjusted more so. I hope I can get one of them on, you all, to go right here, okay? I just hope that I can. I hope that I can. So, but anyway, and I may have said that already, I had to do a retake about 2 or 3 times. So if I repeat anything, y'all be like, well, she just said that. Just know that this is not the first video set that I've had to make, okay? All right. First of all, concerning eyelashes, I have been an eyelash wearer for many years, you all. I have been in the eyelash wear for many years. I remember the movie Freaky Friday from years ago, and I remember her trying to put her eyelashes on as a little girl, and I said, oh my gosh, I believe that was my first time that I really fell in love with eyelashes, and they have been a love of mine ever since I was small, okay? So in the beginning, like I say, I just want to release some ideas, and y'all excuse me, different things may come across my phone for me to read, so y'all excuse me, and I may have people calling in, okay, because I'm in real estate investing and buying now, so my phone may disturb us, but y'all, I'm just giving you the FYI right now, okay? So, and also, if you're in the Southeast region, which I cater to anyone in the United States, specifically the Southeast region right now with everything that's going on, Birmingham, Alabama, Huntsville, Alabama, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Atlanta, anywhere in Florida. You all have family members or friends, Gilbert Real Estate Huntsville. You can go to my Facebook page and look up the information there. I know that a lot of people are in positions right now where they're just trying their best to sustain the best that they can. I am a former realtor for Coldwell Banker, Tennessee Valley in Muscle Shoals, Alabama, under my my then broker. I won't say my ex-broker because she's very great person. Debbie Cox, you all, if y'all in that area, y'all can look her up for buying and selling your properties or your homes. She's really a great woman. I am a former realtor though in Alabama. So getting back into the real estate world is just like my everything right now, y'all. My everything, okay? Like I go to bed with real estate, I wake up with real estate, which is the reason why I have had to transition a lot with my She Brown Sugar brand and do different things with it, because I'm laser focused in on real estate right now. Real estate will get me off of the quote unquote 9 to 5. This I know, real estate will do it, because it's something that it's prayers that I had in the air from years ago, and I've received calls for about 1.5 years from people, and I didn't understand why. That was God's little old fish hook that was reeling me back in. So when the opportunity opened up for me to do it, I knew He had already confirmed through the many phone calls that it was time for me to walk back into real estate, okay? So that is the reason why you will see me we're transitioning right now with I had something else I had to read with the Angela K. Cameron collection, She Brown Sugar Hair and Lashes, okay? And doing these video sets, I may put something up concerning it, I'm not sure. As a matter of fact, I may get some information at the end of this video, okay? in starting my eyelash company, you like I say, I've been in love with eyelashes for, you might as well say forever, you know, because I was so young when I saw that movie. And so when going into the eyelash company, I would purchase so many different eyelashes. Like I have purchased so many eyelashes from different beauty stores, hair salons, just stores that I had was dedicated to finding a certain style, the certain styles that you would see back in one of my previous videos. It was from a particular store that carried them. And so after a while, I was fortunate to have Deep Faith Boutique years ago. I was in a joint venture where we had a luxurious, lucrative, contract through Hearshot Brands. And after they pulled their company from the region in this area, we had to go back to get jobs, okay? So I stopped doing my Diva Faith boutique, which I could have still did it, but doing to just transitioning and moving to a new area and stuff, I just kind of let it go, okay? During the time I had my boutique, I was selling synthetic hair, okay? I was selling synthetic hair. Like my synthetic hair was selling, let me tell you, to the point where people would see me out on the street and they would want the units that I had on. A lot of them would be just fresh looks that I had gotten in, so I would tell the individuals, I would say, well, let me get my wear out of it. I said, I would say I've got units coming in almost every week, really almost every other day, you know, UPS and the postal service was dropping boxes off, and I would tell them that I would let them have my units for half price. At that time, I would also generate ways to take care of their personal hair. And one lady, she actually said, well, she came to my home. I invited her to my home. I said, look, I'll be at home at this time, and I don't want my marker to dry out. So I told her, I said, I don't want to sell this to you because I am a stickler for taking care of your natural God-given crown. And after I spoke with her, she said, well, let me just get into the routine. She said, no, I don't do that. I do not do that. Let me get into the routine, and then I'll contact you back to pick up the unit. I believe it was maybe anywhere from 6 weeks after that she got back in touch with me, and I sold her the unit because I wanted to make sure that she was going to take care of her natural crown of beauty, crown of glory that God had blessed her with, so that she won't experience edges being taken off or hair loss, which is very, very, very important, okay? So when I ended, I actually was getting ready to tap into selling more things on my Diva Faith boutique. I had already started Diva Faith shirts, which had the angel wings and the cross in the middle, and then the angel wings sparked out from it. I had jewelry on there, different things, and when I release more of these videos here in the upcoming future, you'll see some of the items. I still have a lot of items, you all, that I had purchased during that time that I'm just now getting back to post them to sell. So I was looking for eyelashes though to start selling on my site.